Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I am science teacher Miss Saima Norin, class 8. Today I am going to start new chapter fossil fuel. A fuel is a substance that provides a form of energy such as heat, light, electricity or motion as a result of chemical change. What are fossil fuel? Fossil fuels are the fuel derived from dead remains of living matter when buried inside earth for millions of years. What are different types of fossil fuel? There are three types of fossil fuel which can all be used for energy: coal, oil and natural gas. What are resources? Any material which is part of earth and satisfy human needs and add value is called as resource. Types of resources: natural resources, human resources, man-made resources. Natural resources. All living beings depend on some resources for their survival. Plant takes carbon dioxide from air, water from soil and form their food with the help of sunlight. Animals depend on plants and other animals for their food. Humans need food, water and air for their survival and use a number of natural resources in a variety of ways to make life more comfortable. It is the form of matter energy which is available in the earth and get used by living thing, for example, air, water, soil, minerals, fossil fuel, wildlife. Category of natural resource: renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource. Inexhaustible natural resources are those natural resources which are present in unlimited quantity in nature and cannot be exhausted by human activities. For example, sunlight, air, wind, hydroelectricity, biomass, wood, etc. Non-renewable resources. Exhaustible natural resources are those natural resources which are present in limited quantities in nature. They can be exhausted by human activities. For example, forest, wildlife, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Example of non-renewable resources: coal, oil, natural gas, oil shale and tar sands, nuclear power. Coal. Coal is a solid fossil fuel formed from plant remains. Coal is a readily combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock. Non-deposit of coal and other fossil fuels can be obtained using current technology are called reserves. Coal is the most plentiful fossil fuel in the US. It is easy to transport. It provides lots of energy when burned. Type of coal. Coal are formed due to differences in the pressure and temperature during formation. Lignite coal about 50% carbon, highest water 50%, low amount of smoke causing sulfur. Bituminous coal about 85% carbon and 3% water. Anthracite coal almost 100% carbon, hardest form of coal. How coal is formed? Coal has been formed from the trees and plant remain buried deep inside the earth's crust about 300 million years ago by the trapping of atmospheric carbon in the ground. Over time, by the action of high temperature and high pressure inside the earth, the chemical and physical properties of the remains were changed to create a solid material called coal. This process of coal formation is called carbonization. The period during which this process of coal formation took place is called the Carboniferous Age. Use of coal. Coal is used to produce 50% of electricity used for heating and cooking in less developed countries, while rural areas of developed countries it is used as a domestic and industrial fuels. It is used as a fuel for thermal power station to generate electricity. It is used in the manufacture of synthetic petrol and synthetic natural gas. It is used to obtain coke, coal tar and coal gas. It is used in steam engine to run trains. Oil. Oil is a thick liquid fossil fuel. It is formed from remains of small animals, algae, and protists. Petroleum is another name for oil. The United States consume about one third of all the oil produced in the world. Only 3% of the world's supply is located in this country. Refining oil. When oil is first pumped out of the ground, it is called crude oil. A factory where crude oil is separated into fuels and other products by heating is called a refinery. Fractional distillation and refining of petroleum. Distillation. Distillation is the process of separating the components or substances from a liquid mixture by selecting, boiling, and condensation. Fraction distillation. Fraction distillation is the breaking down of a mixture into its component part. This is done by boiling the mixture and separating the products by their varying boiling points. Fractional distillation of crude oil. Generally, crude oil contain compounds having boiling points up to 400 degrees Celsius. In this process, crude oil is heating to about 400 degrees Celsius in a pipe. Its vapors are allowed to enter into the fractionating tower, having different compartments to collect different volatilities. These are now condensed to liquid and are separated. Refining of petroleum. The process of dividing petroleum into fractions with different boiling range, volatilities, and free from impurities is called refining. Petroleum is refined by fractional distillation. Natural gas. The third major fossil fuel is natural gas. It is a mixture of methane and other gases. Advantages of natural gas: provides lots of energy, lower levels of air pollutants than coal and oil. It's easy to transport. Disadvantages: highly flammable. Natural gas. Natural gas is a mixture of gases methane, ethane, propane, butane. It is the cleanest burning fossil fuel. Propane and butane are removed from the natural gas and made into liquefied petroleum gas LPG. Natural gas is highly flammable and is odorless. Natural gas is used primarily for heating, cooking, and powering vehicles. How is natural gas used as a fossil fuel? They are usually used for electricity to create glass, paper, and steel. Most people use it to heat their homes. Thank you, students.